Hello friends, so today I will be showing you how to make a paper gift box out of 5 simple stationery items available at your house. You will need a pencil, an X-Acto knife, a scale, the desired sheet of paper and some glue. I prefer white glue. So I begin drawing guidelines that will allow me to trace the box precisely at right angles. I use a 4H pencil as it does not leave a thick line. I have attached the link in the description below of the layout that I am about to trace onto the sheet. Since this is a non-standard sheet, I am tracing down the complete layout onto it. If you want to, you could print out the layout onto an A4 size sheet and scale it down and make a small box. This box will be approximately 10 by 10 cm and 6 cm in height. Quite an ideal size for small gifts like chocolates or a watch for loved ones, especially during this Christmas season. I suggest using a thicker sheet of paper, at least a minimum of 250 GSM, to avoid the box to be flimsy. After drawing the layout onto the sheet of paper, you need to cut the layout as shown in the linked file in the description. Make sure you hold the scale firmly onto the piece of paper to avoid the cutter to go cross and ruin the box layout. Use the scale to fold the paper along the dashed lines. This will help in making straighter folds. Then apply glue in very small amounts to stick the flaps onto the side walls of the box. Then stick the smaller flaps onto the lids of the side walls. And the box is done. You can decorate these boxes using paint and ribbons and give it a much more aesthetic look. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. Hit the like button if you have enjoyed the video and hit subscribe button. Thank you.